probably my favorite thing are these little tin buckets. I got 2 of them. This one just says Farm Fresh Christmas Trees. And it was on, got the little red handles, and it was only $6. What? It has it on both sides. So cute. And yes, they had a little red truck one. Again, $6. Like, that is so cheap. I really couldn't believe it. They didn't have very many left. I'm sure people have been buying them because I feel like it's really good quality for $6. So the next thing I got was this little white tin. It says Home for the Holidays and has a little truck on it with a ribbon. It doesn't have anything on the back, but it was $4. And I thought about getting some, like, I don't know, some kind of floral something to go in it. Maybe get some from Hobby Lobby or something. I'll figure out exactly what to do with that. And then I got these little canisters. They say Farm Fresh Christmas Trees, a small one and a large one. This one was $2. And this one was $3. I'm not real sure what I'm gonna do with these, but they were so cute. I couldn't pass it up. My little boy picked out this plate. How cute is that? It was $1. And then I got 2 of these little round metal serving tray type things. I bake a lot at Christmas time, so I thought this would be good to put some of that stuff on. If I wanted to take, you know, give some goodies away, I could just put it on these little tins and wrap it with some plastic or something. But this one just says Merry Christmas. It was $1. And then this one's probably my favorite with the little red truck, and it was $1 too. And then I got 2 of these. These are, I don't know what kind of, just this decorated tray, but it was $1.50. They're just plastic. I got 2 of those. And then this little spiced apple cider candle. And it actually smells really good. So I hope that this is pretty strong so you can actually smell it. You know, you don't have to be right up on it to smell it when it's lit. But it was only $3. So I thought it was cute. The little checkered bow and bell. And then I got these little coasters. It says Merry Christmas, y'all. And these were $2.50. Oh, they have different sayings on the back. Cute. And then I picked this up from Dollar Tree. It's just a organizer with lid. I'm going to put that like in my makeup drawer. I have a couple of things I need to organize with that, but for $1. And then I needed another pair of scissors. I think these were $2 from Dollar General. Looks kind of orange, but they're red. And then I picked up these from the Dollar Tree. Just some tablecloths. We needed some extra little plastic ones just to have on hand. And I got these from Dollar Tree. A little oven mitt and some pot holders. $1 a piece, of course. And then I got these from Dollar General. Pick your own Christmas trees. So cute. For $1. I feel like these are really cute for $1. Like, I was kind of shocked. And then this one was $1. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. I kind of wish I would have got more of these. Kind of regretting that now. Nothing haunts you like the things you didn't buy. So true. And then I got this little oven mitt, buffalo check. Cute, $1. And then this little pot holder for $1. Dollar General too. And I got this doormat for $5. Move these out of the way. It just says Merry Christmas. Probably put that by one of our doors. I don't know which one. And then this is the last thing that I got. How cute. These are kind of small, which I like. We like drinking out of small coffee cups. Normally that's what my husband drinks out of all the time, is he has like 2 smaller ones. So these will be perfect. They just say Merry Christmas on both sides. And they've got a little stir with it. And these were $2. Yeah, so go to your Dollar General and check out their Christmas stuff, especially if you like the little red truck stuff. They have such cute things.